In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI using image guidance in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo AI, then log into your account so you can access the creation tools. Once you're inside, choose whether you want to generate an image or a video, depending on your project. If your goal is character consistency, the most important step is using a reference image. This helps the AI keep the same face, style, and identity across multiple generations. Next, find the image guidance option near the prompt box and select image reference. Upload a clear, well-lit image of your character. You can upload one from your device or pick from the community feed. After that, write your prompt describing the scene, action, background, and style. Keep the character details consistent each time, such as hair, facial features, and age, while changing only the environment or pose. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will combine your prompt and reference image to create results that maintain the same character identity. If you want more scenes, simply reuse the same reference image with new prompts. So that's how you create consistent characters in Leonardo AI using image guidance in 2026 quickly and easily.